Look at these three brothers, painted standing together, in perfect peace. Within 30 years, one of them will imprison their father, execute the eldest, and take the throne over the bodies of the other two. This is the family of the man who built the Taj Mahal, frozen on the single day they were last whole. The date is the 8th of March 1628. The place? The fort at Agra. Shah Jahan has just become emperor. To mark it, he holds the grandest of his accession ceremonies, and at its heart is not a conquest, but a homecoming. For nearly 6 years, his 3 young sons had been held in Lahore as hostages, surety against their own father, who had risen in rebellion against the old emperor, his father, Jahangir. Now Jahangir is dead. Shah Jahan wears the crown, and the boys are brought south to be returned to him. The court painter Bichitr was given the task of recording the reunion. He painted it as theatre and as prophecy. Stay with the emperor first. He sits raised above everyone on a jeweled balcony, the jharokha, beneath a scarlet canopy fringed in gold. Around his head, a golden halo. Mughal painters borrowed it from older images of saints and kings, and under Shah Jahan, it hardened into doctrine. The ruler's light is divine. Notice how perfectly still he is. Mature Mughal portraiture is an art of stillness. The more absolute the power, the smaller the gesture. Now the sons. One by one, each prince kissed the ground and laid gifts before his father. The painter sets the emperor leaning to touch his lips to the forehead of the eldest. Dara Shikoh, the heir, the dreamer who would seek the meeting point of fates. Beside him, Shah Shuja, the second son, who would rule Bengal. And the third, quiet, watchful, easy to miss, Aurangzeb. Each face is a true portrait. The painter could not have known that the watchful third son would outlive, outmaneuver, and destroy the other two. 3 boys, 1 throne. At the edge of the balcony stands an older man, white-bearded, calm. This is Asaf Khan, and without him, none of this happens. He is the prince's grandfather. He is the father of Mumtaz Mahal, the wife for whom Shah Jahan would raise the Taj Mahal. He is the brother of Noor Jahan, the empress who had ruled in Jahangir's name. On the old emperor's death, it was Asaf Khan who moved first, secured the treasury, and escorted these very princes from Lahore to put his son-in-law on the throne. His place in the painting is a quiet argument. The house is aligned, the succession legitimate, all is well. It was not. Pull back and the whole hall comes alive. Every figure is a portrait. Nobles in jewel-toned robes, sashes embroidered thread by thread, turbans pinned with jeweled aigrettes. The patterning is among the densest in all of Mughal painting. In the foreground rises a great gilded structure, and trays of tribute are laid at its foot. This is real gold, burnished into the paper. Wealth and order gathered at the foot of the throne. See how the painter builds space, not by Western perspective, but by stacking. The eye does not look at the hall, it walks up into it. So what became of the 3 brothers standing in peace? In 1657, their father fell ill and the empire's calm shattered. The watchful third son, Aurangzeb, defeated the heir Dara at Samugarh, drove Shah Shuja into exile and seized the crown. Shah Jahan he did not kill. He imprisoned him in this same fort at Agra, where the old emperor spent his last years gazing across the river at the Taj he had built for the boy's mother. Dara, the dreamer, he had executed. The day Bichitr painted was the last the family was ever whole. He gave it to us complete, every face, every thread of gold, a single hour of equilibrium before the fall. We restored this folio from museum archives, recovering its jewel tones and gold, and offer it as a premium framed matte print ready to hang with free shipping. A single day held against everything that came after. Find this painting at auraliving.com. And if these stories belong on your wall as much as your screen, stay with us.